Yeah, so I was just going down the highway, going about 65, and then all of a sudden I started like not getting power putting down, not all the way, but most of the way. Like I wasn't getting any power, and then pulled off to the side of the road, and it just didn't sound right. It wasn't like really any grinding or like any high pitch noise, but it just didn't sound right. And then I tried to pull away, and I still wasn't getting much power down, but then I decided to anyways to get off of the shoulder. And once I got onto the side road, it had kind of sorted itself out and just kind of went back to normal. Then I drove all the way home, like another 25 minutes home, and then parked and went to go out to start, and then it would not.
Well, the most likely cause that we see, or my experience has been, is the fuel pump goes bad all the time on these vehicles. You got the crank sensor, and then you got the cam sensor. So those three are going to be your most likely causes. Fuel pump can go bad and not set a code in the computer. The cam and crank sensor can also do that, but they usually set a code based on my experience. Is the engine? I'm sorry. Did you say is it starting and running now?
No, it's not.
So it cranks and it doesn't start.
Yeah.
Okay, and we haven't checked for spark or fuel as of right now, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
The fuel pump is first step. And what were the other ideas?
Well, the crank sensor and then the cam sensor. And then so what you would do is I would see if you can easily see if it has spark. If this one's a little difficult to get to the ignition system, you could just see if it runs on starting fluid. If it does, well, then it's got spark, and the engine's in time. It's got compression. So then we know we got a fuel delivery issue that we need to address.
I appreciate that.
All right, you bet. You're welcome. Good luck, and let me know if anything comes up, okay?
All right, we'll do. Thank you.
You bet.